Seattle's convention center expansion is in a hole in more ways than one.
If we don't have additional funds to basically complete this project, we'll have to stop in 10 to 12 months.
Lead developer Matt Griffin today said the coronavirus has wiped out tourism and caused lodging tax revenues to plummet, the main source to repay the bonds on the $1.8 billion, 1.5 million square foot complex in the heart of the city. Yes, in a strange way, those empty hotels that were built to capitalize on the expansion are now indirectly prompting the strain to complete it. County government, labor, and business leaders say the project, which has been scheduled for a 2022 opening, needs $300 million in federal aid to be fully realized.
And that's why I'm appealing, really appealing to our federal delegation, to our senators, and to our Congress members to make sure that we're able to complete this vital project for our community and for the workers here.
Senator Patty Murray issued a statement to King 5 today, which reads in quote, "I've been in contact with folks on the ground and know how important the convention center is to the city of Seattle and its economy moving forward, especially in light of the current crisis. I'm working now to explore what can be done at the federal level to help support the project's timely completion." Senator Maria Cantwell and Washington Congresswoman Pramila Jayapal from Seattle also said they're exploring potential remedies. For now, construction continues, and Seattle's tourism arm says they've already booked 30 conventions for the new building if it gets completed without a hitch.
It cannot stall and it cannot stop. If it does, Seattle faces a triple economic whammy.
In Seattle, Chris Daniels, King 5 News.